There is a video ratikuona kuti interview iri kuitwa neChange Radio yamuri kuona this lady wamuri kuona in London, wamuri kuona vari kutaura pamusoro the first lady Auxillia Mnangagwa the Flair Summit yavari kuda kuatenda. Sandapinda mashoko ari kubuda pana panyika muZimbabwe Freedom. Panguva ine ndiri subscribe like on the bell like vanouya message the first lady of Zimbabwe vari kuda kunyora chiti I've got a message for Auxillia Mnangagwa, the illegitimate first lady. Vanopinda vachiti these were the first few words by Josephine Jenje Mudimbo, as she stated. She was standing in front of a 10 Downing Street in London on the 4th of June 2025 as part of a protest that was also handing a petition to bar Auxillia Mnangagwa from entering the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland to attend the Flair Summit in London on the 17th of June 2025. Josephine Jenje Mudimbo went on to say, charity begins at home. Auxillia should clean up the mess she and her husband are creating in Zimbabwe. This was a poignant reflection on the totally catastrophic kleptocratic rulership that Mrs. Mnangagwa and her husband have presided over the past 8 years. She added, as women activists, we are saying there is no room for Auxillia Mnangagwa to come to the UK to present herself at a Flair. This was a clear representation of all gathered on the day, and the same sentiments were shared by the ladies in conversations that were had on the day. In quotes, they would to not listen to anything that comes from Auxillia as it's going to be fake. This was a plea to enforce the point that the Mnangagwa family is seen as megalomaniacal in the Zimbabwean context, who have no intention to representing the people, but instead ruling against the will and interests of the people, especially since the full election results tallies have never been released. Thomas Parubuda Pangwa ine atukona kuti aiwa vanhu vari kuUK vakajamuka vari kutobloka Auxillia Mnangagwa vari kuti aiwa sezvavangauya vakataura the whole world must not listen. Ndoda kuti vari kuya vachitaura but kunyika kwavo they are not implementing the same. Inakomesa kuchemedu nzima fumiro emo kuti kudiva musoro pechitwechi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.